Oh, she's only 17.
Dupe. Welcome to Hobby Lover Anyway. Welcome to Hobby Lover Tutor as well. Welcome to Hobby Lover Tutor. So the WF for you spin double glass wheel source machine and blue TGF A4 550 condensing dry anyway. So anyway guys, we're just gonna be testing out this blue on the day guys. We're testing out the Schiaffelli Auto. We're testing out the Schiaffelli Auto so yeah, we're just testing out a Schiaffelli Auto pink torch machine. We're going to be testing out today. We're just going to be testing out a Schiaffelli anyway today. So believe it or not guys, we're going to be testing out the Schiaffelli anyway. Schiaffelli Auto pink toy wash machine anyway. So yeah, believe it or not guys, because I haven't done any videos for a long time. I haven't done any videos since a very long time now, because I haven't done any video for the toy wash machines a very long time, because I haven't done any videos of it anyway. So it's a very long time now obviously, but it's been a very long time I've been filming toy wash machines anyway. So yeah. Has been a very long time guys, by the way. It's been a very long time I've been filming toy wash machines anyway. so yeah, believe it or not guys, so as you can tell, this machine here is we got this machine from Argos. So you can tell this machine here, we got this from Argos anyway, from Argos charity anyway. We just bought this from 2015 I think anyway, because we got this from Argos anyway. I think it was since back in 2015 we got it, but I think we got it back in 2014, I think 2014 we got this anyway, because we got this machine back in 2014 anyway. Back in 2014 we just got it anyway. So yeah, believe it or not guys, we're just going to be testing out the Schiaffelli Auto toy wash machine anyway. But if I could just get a load out, because as you can see we're just going to be washing some load of sponges, but there's obviously in the MiW1 obviously, but the load is obviously in the MiW1 anyway. But if I could take it out in the MiW1 though, but there's a few pairs of sponges in there though as well anyway. That's just already that's been in the MiW1 anyway, obviously. That's the MiW1, you can just see there though, obviously. You can see it's right next to the W4146 and the Washmatic, as you can see, it's just right there as well anyway, Washmatic anyway. So anyway guys, we're going to get loading by the way, we're going to get loaded anyway. A very nice popular door, obviously the doors are very popular though, but you can tell the doors are very popular anyway. As you can see inside of there, it's got a blue drum in it. It's got like a light blue drum inside anyway. As you can see, very nice popular blue drum inside anyway. So yeah, as you can see anyway. So we're going to get loaded up anyway. So yeah, we're just going to go 3 pairs of sponges though, but just the same load we were just washing out, the same load obviously. But currently the same load anyway, but it's currently the same load obviously anyway. I might even get other loads as well, but probably wash the sock in there as well, but depends how much room there is though, but actually you can't fit the socks in there, but that's probably put a smaller pair in there anyway, but put my mum's underpants anyway, but we'll put her underpants anyway, but in this Schiaffelli to wash machine anyway, but it's currently a full load, because you can see it's currently a full load though, but anyway, as you can see here, it's currently a full load now anyway, but currently a full load, but it almost kind of like a full load to me anyway, but so I'm going to put some detergent in there, which detergent I'm using for this one is Persil Universal Tabs Gold anyway, which is the same detergent I've used last time anyway, which is always the same detergent anyway, but so for this one I put 1 in there, I'm going to put 1 in this one, obviously anyway. Obviously you don't have to put it in the drawer though, obviously you don't have to put it in the detergent drawer though, but if you can see that detergent drawer compartment there though, you can see there's the detergent drawer compartment there, because you obviously got the main wash and pre-wash there, and then you got the softener compartment which is just there though, obviously anyway, the softener compartment is there anyway. But as you can see, the programs are exactly the same on the Snoozy there, because the programs are actually exactly the same anyway, which you got in auto cycle, obviously, but on the ones you got in there is 10 minutes, which is 30 minutes obviously, and then the 30mm which is 45 minutes, and then the 50mm is 1 hour anyway. But even because you got the 3.5 wash stage on there, rinse and then spin is on there, but there's probably rinse hold stage anyway. this one here, there's like 45 minutes, and this one's Pro. That's Pro. It says Pro on there, but it says Program on it anyway. That says the programs. I don't know if you can see on there though. It says 30 minutes, and it says 1 hour on it as well. Anyway, but anyway, I'm just gonna get paid for this one anyway because just to stand the camcorder like because just made the camcorder stand out anyway because actually might get the other thing as well because that'll just be a better way to do it though because hold on, wait a minute, just I don't know whether there's a better way to do it. I'm not very sure whether there's a better way to do it though because well, it was almost like a coast, but there we are. Don't think the camcorder would stand out a bit though, obviously, anyway. There you go, that's stilled enough now. Obviously, that's now stilled anyway. As you can see, the camcorder is now stilled enough anyway. So anyway, let's start the machine up. Let's start the machine up anyway. Obviously, if you turn the dial, you have to turn the main on bed though. But the main on bed, you have to turn the dial anyway, because of this one, you have to turn the dial anyway. So anyway, let's start now anyway. Let's see what the timing action looks like anyway. We'll see a bit nice timing action there, got a bit nice timing action. Obviously that's the person using VersaTabs, you can see it's just sitting there though, obviously. The person using VersaTabs, that's just coming from the door glass, obviously anyway. Do wash one more time, anyway, let's wash one more time. Obviously, because my mum's obviously home now, by the way. But as you can tell, my mum's home anyway, because I've basically I've already washed her underpants anyway. As you can see, basically she's going to take me off for this anyway. But anyway, but let me just take the underpants out a minute. Let me just take it out anyway, because timing actions are very weird though. It's got because it's a very weird timing action though. But the timing actions are very weird anyway. But anyway, because the timing actions are so weird on this anyway. But there we go. You can see that's now half though now. So you see that's something better though, that's the better way to tumble though. But the better way to tumble though is good though, but the better way to tumble is good anyway. Obviously, yeah, the person who does tell is slightly away though. Obviously, you can see it's just slight from the there though. It does just between the doors here and the drum side anyway. But it's just swings from there. It does anyway. So let it fill one more time. Let it fill and tumble for one more time, and then we're going to do main wash cycle. Okay, so now we're going to move on to main wash. Now we're going to do main wash tumble now. Main wash tumble now going to God, these dials are so weird on this toy washing machine. These dials are so weird on it though. You can see because the perma dial when it goes to main wash, it's the way this turns a bit anyway. So anyway, so it goes to main wash now. Main wash tumble. just made them. I just going to have to move into a washing machine a bit closer, so the camera is a bit better anyway. It was almost distributing there, but see, it's almost distributing now. It was almost distributing by then. You can see it's almost distributing, but obviously because this machine here only does like 15 RPM. It does normally does like 18 RPM tumble. It normally does, and it normally does like 80 RPM tumble anyway. But normally does about 16 RPM tumble anyway, because that's what it normally does anyway. See whether it distributes this from this, I'd rather see where it distribute. Now you see that that's distributing the bed though, you can see that's distributing. Seems like a parachute like a hopping WMA does anyway. It tends like a hopping WMA that does anyway. It reminds me of a hopping WMA parachute anyway. Now I'm coming back the other way now, I'm coming the other way. Coming back to the right. But I think it's the only thing when it goes on to main wash, that's where you have to turn the dial tri-stage, because when you turn the dial, that's where you have to turn that when it starts tumbling though, that's why you have to when it starts tumbling anyway. But if you watch though, cause that's where you have to turn the dial anyway, and that could just tumble a bit anyway. So if I turn the dial anyway. See, that tumbles a bit, so that tumbles very good, nicely it does. Okay, so now we're going to do the spin side now, we're going to do the Vincent spin now, so anyway, now we're going to do Vincent spin on this now anyway. Okay, now that's the spin sound, so. Now you see that's distributing, now that's distributing. Obviously the person who does the tab doesn't have to distribute, but that obviously does though. I kept turn on top of the person who does the tab does anyway. God, that is probably the weird sound it's making the weird sound actually, it's making a weird sound. Now twin cycle. I think we're only going to do one rinse in this one. I'm only going to do one rinse anyway. That's the rinse cycle stage, obviously. That's now the rinse cycle. So, oh, distribute the other way now. Look at that. Distribute to the left there, so now distribute back to the right there. Right, we're going to see what the distribute looks like when it kept spinning now. So let's watch and let's do it anyway. Now you see, he's trying to spin though, you see, he's trying to spin at 150 RPM though. Doing 150 RPM to spin out, so 150 RPM though. That's been 150 RPM spin, so that's been 150 RPM. Obviously, because the person who does the tab just kept coming there, that's why. It just kept coming at the same time though, that's what the first tab does. Now we see that stops tumbling now, obviously. I like it when it does that, but I like it when it does, oh, that's tumbling. Now back to the sun actually. Side in bed though, kind of starting from the door cross, but obviously. Well, it's because the only thing with the universal tabs, it just pushes forward though, obviously, it just pushes forward when it's, when it goes on the distribute, it just really pushes forward though, obviously. It pushes so forward though, it does, anyway. But, anyway, we're going to do one more spin, then we're going to do an empty spin anyway. So there you go. I've never seen this machine spin like this though. Even you can't do it on the snoozy though, because even on the snoozy to washer you can't do it anyway, because that doesn't get a good distribution. It's because on the snoozy to washer it doesn't get a good distribution. The snoozy to washer doesn't do that though. Right, okay, there's now under the machine now. We're now going to undo the machine now, obviously. Obviously we're going to put universal taps back in the spot though, obviously. Now I'm going to unload the 3 pairs of sponges, obviously, just the 3 pairs of them. God, they're all like stuck into the side though, they're all like stuck in the drum side though, they're like stuck in the drum to me though. Anyway. So I just had that mum go past anyway, because I think because she's thinking I'm filming into washing machines though, that's why she thinks of anyway. But anyway, now we're going to do empty spin now, obviously. So we're going to do empty rinse on it, and then we're going to main wash, and then a spin only. See the spins obviously about 150 RPM though, but because with me W146 that does like 400 RPM that does, because with the Mini W146 that does like 400 RPM, but and also with the Mini to wash machine that does 400 as well anyway, but me obviously does 300 anyway. But now into main wash cycle. Right, now onto spin cycle. There we are, front part now, spin cycle. Right, now we're going to switch the machine off now. Now we're going to turn the machine off anyway. But you see here though, because the dial here only when you switch it on though, but by turning it off, you have to turn the dial anyway, because we have to turn the dial though when you turn the machine off anyway. But anyway, that's just going to save us some battery though, obviously anyway. But that's saving some battery for it anyway. Wow. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video by the way, this Charfaly auto to wash machine anyway, but I'm not very sure what the model is though, because I'm not actually quite sure what the model number is though, but I'll look on Safari though, but I'll probably look on the Safari web, I'll probably look on Safari anyway. Maybe you could probably go on the internet or something anyway, probably look on Safari anyway. Probably best if I could just look on Safari anyway, and just see what model number it is for this to wash machine, the pink to wash machine version anyway. So yeah, by the way, believe it or not guys, I hope you enjoyed this video by the way. But it's because the only thing with the universal tabs, it just pushes forward though, when it does the distribute, it pushes this forward though, it does anyway. It just pushes this forward, it does, it always pushes forward though, it does, no, the Charfaly, it always pushes forward though, it does anyway. Because of the universal tabs, it always pushes forward though, obviously anyway. Because with other to wash machine, never pushes forward though. Which does like Mini to wash machine, that never pushes forward, and W446 never pushes forward, and the Washmatic here it never pushes forward, but I'm not very sure that the Mini W1 though, because the Mini W1 never pushes forward, I think, anyway. So yeah, there is a few machines to test though, I have got a few other machines to test anyway. There's only one machine I've got to test though, it's the red Charfaly, obviously I've got to test anyway. I've already tested out the Sanusi though, as you can see. I was just testing out the Sanusi, but it's the fact because Shard phased though, it's because I've got to phase something to program to the Sanusi one, obviously anyway. There's Sanusi K2214 anyway. With Sanusi K2214 here, it's just got exactly the same program, but the only thing is though, because it's got like a wash symbol, it's because the Sanusi here it has the wash symbols though, but this one here doesn't though, but obviously this one here doesn't anyway. But so for the Sanusi, this way you have to turn the dial around, but by turning it on, that's why you have to turn the dial around anyway. And by turning it off, that's why you have to turn the dial to the left anyway. But it switches on automatically when you turn the dial, but it switches on automatically though, it does anyway. But it switches on automatically anyway, because it switches on automatically anyway. So yeah, as you can see, that's the two mirrors which we still got anyway, and the Washmatic you see is there anyway. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video by the way. So yeah, I'm hoping might be able to do some more videos of the Blomberg WF-20. You can see, as you can see, there's the Blomberg WF-20 obviously anyway. It's been watching some few light tabs in there. It's been watching some few light tabs in it, but it's been on Vaseline 50 anyway. That's been on Vaseline 50. That has anyway. As you can see, that's the end of the cycle now. Obviously, that's now the end of the cycle anyway. As you can see, there's just a few light toast items in there though anyway, and there's a stuff that's in there as well, the pink item that's in there, but needs to be taken out anyway. But obviously that's just one of my, I think that's just a packet of sweet. You can see that's in there. There's all the nasty stuff in it. It's a fact, because in the big machines we always put nasty stuff in it though, we always do anyway. But so yeah, as you can see, the machine's just end of cycle now. So you can see the Blomberg WF-20, it's just coming to the end of cycle anyway. And the Blomberg TKF A4550, as you see, it's been drying some few load of darks and whites anyway, but as you can see, it's just been drying some few load of mixed colours in, obviously anyway, some half load of mixed colours anyway, which has been reduced on time program, which is 30 minutes drying anyway. That's been on 30 minute drying, that has anyway, which that one here has been on 30 minute time dry anyway, because anyway, so I'm hoping might be able to do some more videos of the Blomberg WF-20 very soon though, but I don't know when I'm going to do this, but we're hoping we might be able to do the wooden cycle, hopefully in the Blomberg, might be doing the wooden cycle on this Blomberg anyway, or not, or maybe not, and we might be able to probably still do a normal load. As you can see, we've still got an awful lot of washing to do, and that needs to go into the Blomberg WF-20 anyway, because so yeah, I think it might be filming the Blomberg WF-20 later on though, but might be filming it later on though, because there might be some other washings to do as well. There might be some hair towels we'll be washing as well anyway, some hairdressing towels anyway. That's what I was thinking of washing in the Blomberg anyway. Probably washing some hair towels anyway. And I don't know what detergent I'll use for this anyway, because my mum's been doing hair today though. She's been doing some of his hair today, so I thought later on we might be able to we'll probably wash some hair dressing towels anyway. But if not, we might be able to just do normal load anyway. But anyway, so yeah, we'll have to wait and see what day I do videos of the Blomberg WF-20 anyway. It depends on the weather forecast. It depends on the weather forecasts. And it depends on the weather it does anyway. And I'm not very sure when I'm going to do videos of the Blomberg TKF-50 as well anyway. Because the other day I haven't been filming the Blomberg G3940 dishwasher though. But they blamed one back in the day though, because I might film that when it's raining as well. I might also be able to film that when it's raining as well anyway, the Blomberg G3940 dishwasher anyway. But I might be able to film that this Saturday though, obviously in the Blomberg G3940 dishwasher anyway. So yeah, probably have to film that quite soon as well anyway, Blomberg G3940 dishwasher anyway. But it's been a very long time I've been filming this though, but it's quite a long time I've been filming the Blomberg G3940 dishwasher anyway. So yeah, it's been a very long time I've been filming this anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video by the way, and just say guys, just stay tuned whether you're on YouTube, just stay tuned whether you're on YouTube, and comment me whether you're on YouTube, just comment whether you're on YouTube, and give me any question you need, whether for the Blomberg WF-8 829 4 inch spin WA green plus washing machine, or the Blomberg TKF A4550 condenser heat pump dry anyway, if you need me guys anyway. So yeah, and moving on guys, don't forget, keep spinning and get hobby never.